I just got this box here from TH Marine. They're celebrating 50 years in business. So let's see what we got. I'm really excited for this. I didn't know it was coming, so that's always a fun thing. So let's see. Ooh, we got nice Richardson's hat here. That's pretty slick. Let's get rid of this one here. We'll put that right on. Let's see how we fit. Yeah, that's nice, comfortable. I like that. One of my favorite products right here. This is TH Marine Wave Away. Spray this on all your grafts. It comes with a microfiber cloth. I really do. I use that a lot. I have bottles of this all over in the boat. Give them to buddies all the time. What else we got? We got a nice 50-year koozie, TH Marine. Keep your beverage nice and cold. What's this next thing? Oh, we got another microfiber. Ooh, I like this. This one actually can clip right onto whether it's your belt buckle, or what I might do is try to find a way to rig that up and keep that up with my grafts up there. That way when I'm scoping out there, do some clean it real quick. Use that with your Wave Away as well if you wanted to. That's pretty nice. Ooh, and this. Oh, Yeti Rambler. That's good. I like that. I use this a lot. Keep your drink nice and cold or hot, depending on what you're going for. This is Yeti, TH Marine. Look at that. They got that nice 50-year logo on there too. That's pretty slick. And what else we got? Ooh, we got one more thing. Ooh, some coffee. Oh, that's probably what you're supposed to put in here. So if you're a coffee drinker, you put your new TH Marine coffee here. It's a French roast, 1975 brew, going with their year. This is ground. I'm not a coffee drinker per se, but my wife is gonna love this. Anchored 1975, it says on the back, Old Town Coffee. So she is definitely gonna like that, and she's probably gonna steal this from me as well. So thank you, TH Marine. 50 years, congrats on that. That is awesome. Best products are out there. I use an Atlas hydraulic jack plate for my entire professional career, and it's just been a great partnership, and congrats, 50 years. That's very impressive.